they will match up against each other.
Gusto ko yung tape sa kaliwang leg.
Nandoon si May Pantino. Elaine Casilag once again.
Conference, but right now at 5-2, safely in the semis. At sabi nga natin ngayon, back to square early on para sa Lady Warriors versus only 22% for the Jet Spikers. Super Iya unloads kanina. 2 beses po nangyari yan.
Tignan natin kung makakahabol.
The 5th set, eventually the Cool Smashers prevailed dun sa labang iyon, laban kila ng Philippine Air Force.
Balik na tayo sa laro. Lady Jet Spikers at 19, Lady Warriors at 16. Make that 17. Unti-unting nakakahabol ang Lady Warriors. Casilag once again, great blocking. Iya Yonko through the... Giselle C once again to Myla Pablo. Nandoon si Iya Yonko.
Very aggressive si Wendy Ansemana talaga sa 24-18 a while ago.
May Pantino. At ayun na nga. Listen kasi ngayon ng anak ng kaibigan. Speaking of Palomata, pero nandoon naman si Elaine Casilag.
Jet Spikers good for 3rd sa ating 18 competition.
And Iya Yonko is Sunday Family Day tomorrow.
Pwede.
Enjoy yan for sure. And of course, again, asking everyone to keep tweeting us at Semana. Giselle C.
Walang pinapakita sa kanilang opensa ngayon. Sa tindi rin ng depensa ang ipinapamalas ng Jet Spikers. 4 points lamang nakuha nila, 12. Sa huling 16 na puntos napunta sa Lady Jet Spikers.
Buhay ang bola. Giselle C to Myla Pablo.
Whatever happened in that last instance still, makita mo yung floor defense ng Jet Spikers, napakasipag. Match of the series. Uy, that ball sailing over the net.
Myla Pablo will try once again in second set. They go to Myla Pablo.
Serve na yun.
Myla Pablo fighting it out.
Pero deflected yung palo niya.
Iya Yonko gustong tapusin at tinapos nga ni Super Iya Ronnie ang set number 2.
Yung Jet Spikers have been really super in this match.
And
they're showing right now that they are very well prepared here in the series. Mapapanood po niyo yan sila Eliza Valdez, sila Mika Reyes, magkakasama. Sila only one with over 5 points kasama si Sixi Dadang.
Wendy Ansemana, paboritong move sa larong ito. Myla Pablo. Team Diesel nga sila.
Totoo yan, grabe yung scramble doon ni Wendy Ansemana. And now Pablo is in double figures.
Wendy Ansemana will set up Del Palomata. Ulit maglaro ang champion team Lady Warriors. Del Palomata. Giselle C to Dadang. Wendy Ansemana to Pantino once again.
Lang yan. Ito sa roster this conference. Hindi nga naka-ensayo to, alam ko eh.
I think they've got if they want to stay alive in this game. Myla Pablo, laban kung gusto ng Lady Warriors na mabuhay pa rin dito sa larong ito.
Nice pass. Nice pass.
Iya Yonko.
Nice pass. Nakabantay kay Del Palomata. Kinambyo ni Wendy Ansemana.
Wendy Ansemana to Iya Yonko. Giselle C. Myla Pablo once again.
Wow.
And
at 4 p.m. Sunday.
tama ka dyan, Coach Ronnie. At magbabalik po kami ulit dito sa Premier Volleyball League Open Conference on SNA.